guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sierra here. Today is a work from home day. There's actually been a huge major snowstorm. I'm sure anyone that lives in like the northeast of US or like southern Ontario knows about this huge snowstorm, and my work actually sent out an email telling all their employees to work from home if they're non-essential in the office. And all my coworkers that's been working here for like decades have said that they've never seen an email like this before, which is so crazy. Naoki and I went for a walk yesterday while it was snowing, and it was so pretty. It was like this soft, like powdery type of snow, which is so cool. Today has been like a very warm and cozy day in working from home, and I do feel like when it is snowier and like less desirable to go outside, I give myself more excuses to like not go to the gym or like not go out, but I'm trying not to do that this week. Also want to take out Naoki because he was supposed to go to Boston for work yesterday. His flight got canceled. He will be flying out tomorrow morning, but he's going to be gone for this week. So I want to do a little date night with him before he goes. So my hope is that I finish this work day, we go out for dinner, and then I go to the gym afterwards. But I also know I really struggle with going to the gym after my plans, but I'm just going to wear my gym clothes and force myself to go. I'm going to finish off this work day, and then we will head out to go to dinner afterwards. We just got back home. I decided not to go to the gym because I am in so much pain right now. It is a womanly week for me, and it is not the best day for it. So we came home right after eating. There was a photo booth that I've been trying to go to actually for a while. So we took some pictures there. They have it literally just like in the food court, which is super cool. We did mess up the first picture. I don't know if you can see it. Like, we are definitely not ready for that. But the other ones turned out so cute. I did a solo one, and then these are the ones of me and Naoki. Anyways, I was literally supposed to come home too and cook my meals for this week because Naoki is actually going to Boston for work tomorrow, and I didn't do that, and I don't have the mental or physical capacity to do that at the moment, so we're just gonna pause on that. Hopefully I can get to it tomorrow. Okay, so I did go to work today. I went to the gym right afterwards. I hit a leg day, and I'm not gonna lie, it was so hard. Everything felt so heavy today. So I was honestly just really nice with myself, and I didn't go super intense, which is fine because next week energy levels should be higher, so I'll be back into it and then I can get back into more serious hyrox training. But now that I'm home, I do have to do meal prepping. I have a few things that I do want to cook. I have a bunch of sweet potatoes that I'm just gonna cut up and bake. I think I'm gonna put that into a salad that I'm gonna make, and then also just eat it with the proteins that I have. I have sausage and I also have ground beef, so we're gonna cook both of those. I don't really know what I'm gonna have for dinner. I'm just gonna decide whatever looks the best, but we're gonna start preparing for that because I am getting so hungry, so I need to eat very soon. finished cooking. It looks delicious. I love making Italian sausages and just eating it with rice. So I made that, packed a couple of lunches to eat for later this week. And then I also have my salad, literally the only salad that I make. Literally made it in so many of my videos, but it's just spinach, sweet potato, cottage cheese with balsamic vinegar. And then I also had this like spicy olive oil. So I added that on top too to see if it's going to add any dimension or flavor into it. But I am so hungry right now, so I'm going to start eating. Went out to go get some shawarma from this place nearby. I think this is like a newer place that's come to like the GTA, but it's so good. I used to be a Laziz girl, but now I'm always getting tahinis. I'm so hungry, and it's just like been such a cold, poopy kind of day, so I just want to eat this and watch some Parks and Rec tonight, so I feel like I'm probably gonna do that. I also want to update you guys on some of my knitting. I think last time I said I wanted to start knitting a sweater, and then I found out that I didn't have the right cables for that. I didn't end up buying new cables, so I decided to pivot. I'll put in a picture of my inspo, but I want to make this set. The top is knitted and then the bottom is crocheted. So I started on the top. It kind of, I don't know how to show you this right now because I'm in the middle of a row, but essentially there's going to be two of these like rectangular panels that I'm going to make, and then I'm going to attach them together so it'll make the top. And like super simple. I've literally made this before with a knitting machine that I have, but I'm liking how this looks so far, which I think will be really cute. For now, I'm going to eat my beautiful shawarma. This is what I've been knitting. It's probably taking me like a weekish to get this far. I think I'm almost done this one. I think after I block it, it'll be at basically the length that I want it to be. But I think for my first actual garment, it doesn't look so bad. I do think that my knitting isn't that even, and you can probably tell, but it doesn't look so terrible. I'm actually really proud of this. So I'm gonna finish this up. Hopefully I can get the first one done tonight, and then we're gonna start on the next one whenever I get the time to get to it, and then we'll put it together and then do the shorts. But I think this will turn out really cute eventually, and I'm excited. Hello. It's been a couple of days. Today's Saturday. It's like 2 p.m. and I am just really getting out of bed now, which I feel like is like, that's how you know I'm getting old. That's how you know I'm getting there, because I did go out last night with my friends. We went to this pub and was just like yapping and drinking. It was actually really cute and wholesome. One of our friends from Edmonton is in town this weekend visiting, so it was really nice to see him. Very cute, wholesome night, but I still drank a decent amount, and I'm really feeling it today. And the thing is, I'm also going out tonight, which is crazy because I feel like I haven't really been going out that much in general. Like, there's actually very rare weekends where I'm like going out to like the bar. I don't even remember the last time I went to a club. And then this weekend it was like back to back, we're going out drinking. I will say it is like a lot more chill things. Like, I feel like a few years ago it would be like bars and clubs that I was going to, but now it's like really chill bars, or even like restaurant types, or like hanging out at someone's house and just drinking, rather than actually going out and being in a room full of people, because I actually don't know if I can do that anymore. I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna go out to the gym right now. I have no idea what I'm going to do there yet. I haven't really decided. I wanted to run, but I'm so tired, so I might try to do a leg day. I'm just gonna make up my mind once I get there. Good morning. It's Sunday, and last night I had so much fun doing karaoke with my cousins. It was really funny because for some reason they let you put like random like any picture that you want on the screen, so you're just like putting funny pictures of each other and like dying of laughter while we were singing. But it was really fun. I had a great time. Now again, right now we're heading over to the gym to do our second hyrox training. We did one a couple weeks ago because we're trying to prepare for the hyrox that's going to happen in October. So we're starting very early, but low-key I need to start early as possible because we are doing the mixed doubles, and for the mixed doubles you have to do the men's weight for it. So I don't think right now I can even lift any of the men's weight for hyrox. I'm gonna try to film a little bit so you guys can see a bit of our hyrox training. Maybe I'll make a separate video another time about like how our hyrox training is going and like our plan and stuff like that. But right now we're just gonna head over there and then do a little training session. Get the tickets. Currently at Hot Pot right after our hyrox session, and it was intense, but honestly like pretty fun, and I'm actually really glad that we started as early as we did because there's definitely a lot for us to improve on, especially for the sled push and pull, because we were absolutely nowhere near the actual competition weight, but everything else was kind of okay. It's just like the volume of it obviously is a little bit difficult for us. It was a fun session. I think we're gonna try to do weekly sessions.
So we're gonna do weekly sessions up until like July or August, and then we're gonna do bi-weekly sessions. But yeah, it was pretty tough, and I've never done lunges or burpees before, so that was the hardest part for me.
I think I may have filmed lunges. I didn't film the burpees because that was the last thing that we did. And I
Yeah,
was
we
like,
were exhausted.
Oh, I'm dead. Now we're just waiting for our hot pot, and I'm excited. So we got home not too long ago. I have just been trying to knit. I haven't spent too much time knitting this week, so I haven't really made too much progress on the second panel for the top that I'm making. I'm just gonna do this probably for the rest of the night. Hopefully I can get it done by the end of this week, but we'll see. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a bit of a low energy week for me. I definitely didn't get up to all the things that I wanted to do. Sometimes it just happens. It's just been one of those weeks that is just like super low energy. Can't get myself to do certain things, and also just like having a super lazy type of weekend, which I don't typically have. I feel like I'm quite productive on weekends usually, but this weekend was like very social, very much going out a little bit too late, and then not doing a ton during the day, except I did end up going to the gym both of the days, which I am happy about. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.